Okay, my name is Abby and I am going to be showing you how to use Wix. This is a website that you have the option to use for your eportfolio as well as your magazine, which is our final project for this class. So what you do is you go to wix.com, then it'll pull up this screen. I'm going to hit start now. I already have an account, but I'm going to create another one just to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to hit I'm a new user. All right, and then just hit go. It's going to ask you to type your email again and the password. Then it's going to give you a bunch of different options. These will help narrow down the templates, and it's kind of like a survey to find out what people are using their website for. So I'm just going to go ahead and click portfolio. And then go ahead and click get started. A lot of you might have already started one of these for our notebook for this class, or you might have used Wix to start an eportfolio for other classes. So they have a bunch of different templates you can choose from. I'm gonna go ahead and go with, they have a ton of pages. I'm going to go ahead and go with this journalist one. So you can either view it to see more detail or you can edit. I'm going to choose to go ahead and edit. Also notice that the price is free. Be careful with this. Alright, so with this you can edit the different tabs. So you can go home, about. If you double click on it, you can rename it. So like English 2010 notebook. This is a page that you could use for your notebook entries for this class. And then if you'd like to edit that page, you just click on it. So we can go to articles. So for this, it has all these different links. So you can change this. If you want to delete it, just go ahead and make sure everything is highlighted and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Now it's gone. In order to add something, so let's say you'd like to add a text. So let's go back to the English 2010 notebook. We're going to highlight this. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. I'm going to hit edit text. You can hit the delete button then, and then go ahead and start typing. For this notebook entry, I chose. Anyways, and then up here you can edit. And let's do notebook entry number 1. You can also choose a bunch of different fonts and sizes, as well as colors. The colors depend on what template you've chosen. So don't get frustrated if the color you want isn't on there. Just accept it and move on. They also have a few colors down here, different shades of the colors. You can add colors, but this is more complex, easy for those of you that know computer code. Be sure to always save your portfolio or your progress, and then it gives you the option to use a domain. So it'll use your username .wix.com / and then let's do slick.eportfolio. Save and continue. Doesn't like the dot, so we're going to go back and erase that. Save. Awesome. Then once you publish it, it is online, so that way if you, for an assignment, post the URL, it'll show up after you've hit publish. If you just hit save, I've learned the hard way, it does not add this to what is connected to your URL. So say I added a notebook entry and I hit save and I was like, okay, perfect, I'm done. And then I went back into the assignment and I typed in my URL. So abbymcallister.wix.com / slick eportfolio. It won't show that new notebook entry that I saved. It will only show that once I hit publish. So be sure you click that. And then it gives you the option to view your site. So we'll do that. And then this is what it looks like. Wix is a super easy website to use. I would definitely recommend it. The nice part about this is it does not limit the amount of different pages you can have, whereas a few of the other ones that Slick gives you the option for do. So thank you for joining me, and I hope that this helped.